Okay, so this is just a really quick extra video to show you how to shorten a zip, because I know a couple of people have asked me for this video. So I'm just going to quickly show you how I shorten zips. It's the quickest way possible and it's so easy, and I promise you, you will have no problems with it whatsoever. So I'll just quickly show you how to do that, and then hopefully that will help you with all your sewing projects. Okay, so I'm just going to do a really quick video to show you exactly how to shorten a zip that you've got. So if you have a long zip and you want a slightly shorter one, I'm going to show you a really quick trick for you to shorten it properly. So I have my zip here and I've just measured it between the plastic stopper in one end and the plastic stopper at the other end. I'm actually doing this on an invisible zip, so it's slightly different. Ignore the fact that I'm starting at 1 inch, my end of my tape measure is broken. So this is a 14-inch zip. So I want it 12 inches. So what I'm going to do is put it on, well, I'm going to put it on 13 so I can go to 1. And we're just going to mark that place there. So I just marked it either side with a little dot of pencil. Obviously, if you want it to be invisible, use a washable marker, but I just had a quick pencil to hand. So now we're going to go over to the sewing machine. Okay, so what we're going to do is a zigzag stitch. So I've set my machine to zigzag, and we're just going to do a zigzag over that marker. Now I've set my stitch width to 6mm, so it's going to go either side of my teeth. And I've set my stitch length to 0.2, which is the lowest I can go. And essentially that's so that it doesn't get pulled through the machine. I just want my zigzag in one place. If you can't turn your stitch length right down, just switch your feeders off underneath so it doesn't pull the zip through. Okay, so ignore the messiness, but I had to do it twice because I forgot to press record the first time. But as you can see, I've just done a sort of like a thick stitch over my teeth where I want my zip to end, and this should now be a 12-inch zipper. Okay, so now if I measure from my slider end to the new stopper, it's exactly 12 inches. So all you would do now is chop roughly the same amount as this end, so about 1 inch beyond your stopper, and it's ready to go. Okay, so I hope that tutorial was useful for you. If you have any questions, please comment below and I will try my best to answer them. If you enjoyed this, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again for another video. Happy handmade, everyone!